Hello everyone, welcome to Neha's Art Club. Today, we're gonna learn easy, simple way to do Christmas illustration on Ibis Paints. At first, choose Night Anime background. This illustration will take less than 10 minutes. Then, choose App Build, Christmas Tree Sticker. Copy and paste the tree stickers and decorate the way you like. Choose Snow Brush and give the snowfall effect. Use Glitter Dot Brush to give more luminous effect. And then the easy Christmas night illustration will be done in 10 minutes. The Christmas night illustration is done. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching till the end.